here. And moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, to our next presentation on Formica and trends, we have Mr. Bharat Rao, who's the GM for marketing from Formica. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, Mr. Bharat Rao.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Interesting points of discussion in the morning. Old architects, young architects, developers, architects, us versus them. I remember a short story. Somewhere in the jungle, the lion wakes up every day in the morning. He wants to just run the fastest to get out of something to eat. In another part of the jungle, a deer is also thinking the same, that it also wants to run the fastest, so it lives. So no matter we are an architect, supplier, manufacturer, developer, we better innovate, we create new things, and we think responsibly. With this thought in mind, welcome to iGen 2014. A brief note about Formica. Just to give you a brief as to what Formica is all about. We are the world's largest manufacturer of laminates. We are the original inventors of laminates. It so happened in 1913, two young scientists, Faber and O'Connor, in Pittsburgh, Cincinnati, founded this company Formica. 1914 was the advent of World War I. So they're trying to find a substitute for mica. Mica in those days was used as an excellent electrical insulator. So once they invented laminate, what we now know as laminate, the name, since it was a substitute for mica, hence the name Formica. As we did see in the morning, we just unveiled our 100-year commemorative book in India, celebrating 100 years of existence across the world. Formica, when it started as an industrial products company, has now emerged as a highly evolved decorative servicing company. This is who we work for. We work for Fletcher Building, one of the world's largest conglomerate based out of New Zealand, with revenues in excess of $8.5 billion and with footprints all across the world. Some of our leading brands in existence, which Fletcher Building has, Formica, Laminex, Melteca, and then the famous Homopol, who are into metal laminates. Since everybody has been talking about sustainability, our commitment to sustainability is as follows. We are members of the Carbon Disclosure Project. What exactly it means? It means that we genuinely help reduce our carbon footprint of our products. We are the first laminate company in the world to be awarded the Carbon Trust carbon reduction label. What it means is surface areas of approximately 100 million square meters of Formica product is now carbon labeled. This is our commitment to reduce the carbon footprint. Since the World Cup is going on, in the football parlance, it is equivalent to about 13,000 times a football field. We have an innovative way of analyzing our product life cycle. What we do is we analyze our products' impact on the environment in and around us from cradle to grave. Right from the sourcing of raw materials to the product's disposal, we have methods to measure our own impact on the environment. It has a proud heritage, Formica, since in a laminate, about 70% of the laminate is made up of paper. We are very choosy and we are very keen to work with vendors who manage the resources very responsibly, who have their own managed resources. Looking into the future, the last 100 years has been good. We look at a lot of challenges and opportunities ahead. We consistently keep asking ourselves, keep questioning ourselves as to how do we make the brand more relevant to the new generation and the designers at large. How do we make our offerings better to meet the fast-changing expectations of the users and consumers? Basically, how do we marry the 100 years of existence across the world to the expectations of the new generation? We listen to the voice of the consumer. As Pablo Picasso once famously said, colors, like features, follow the changes of emotions. We observe the trends continuously across the world. We prototype this development and then we validate the same with our customers. What we basically do is we connect our dots so that we make our offerings better as to what the market demands. We are part of the color marketing group. CMG is a big group who forecast trends in colors and decors, so we are a part of that group, like. Our work in the design fraternity we have been awarded the Red Dot Design Award in 2013 for our good texture designs. Our process of observing the macro trends, consumer trends, industry trends has led us to believe we are now competent enough to a small extent, indicate what are the trends very pertinent to the laminate industry, specific to the Indian market. Our own thinking is eye-catcher wood. These are woods, basically it looks like hand-finished surfaces used as tabletop, used in kitchens. This is the trend which we foresee in the Indian market. Basically, naturalness is the key. How do we bring the naturalness out of it? Oak is one of the very favorite in terms of when somebody wants to communicate authenticity. Some of our, how do we match this trend with Formica laminates? So we do have a few designs to match this trend. Another top trending design for the Indian market is whitewood planking. If you see a lot of places, people would like to use flat surfaces with a lot of wood grades coming out significantly, which needs to be large. This is another offering for us from Formica to match this trend. Abstract has always been there. The last top trend which we foresee, what we call as universal olivers. These are basically, they come in very neutral colors, like anthracite, grey, beige. These work as backdrop to the dramatic wood grains. Some of our offerings for the Indian market is as follows. We have a few validated products, technologically very superior. Not many companies or brands can offer that in India. AR Plus, what AR stands for, abrasion resistance. It is a very highly abrasion resistant product with very high mar and scuff resistance with high gloss levels. We have color Korean offering. Many of you must have seen when you use a laminate on top of a surface, you get to see that black lines. Basically, color code helps reduce the black lines because the core of the laminate mirrors that of the solid surface. We have metal laminates with us. In the next month or so, we would be offering solid surfacing to the Indian market. Another product in pipeline for the Indian operations is exterior grade compacts. Till now, you must have heard Formica, basically the interior grade laminates. We have done phenomenal work in the exterior grade compacts. This is one of the actual image of exterior grade compact manufactured using Formica. And we also have an ongoing experiment into creating very unique patterns using browser-based. This is something, a state-of-art technology which has been just launched in US, patent pending. Just to help you understand, help you have a look at it, we need to have a look at the video. Can I have the videos, please?
Also honoring us today is a company that needs no introduction. Formica has been an industry leader for over half a century. They always stand at the forefront of innovation because they are dedicated to working closely with architects and designers and are therefore able to supply products that complement current design trends. At Formica Corporation, their mission is to make top quality servicing products accessible to all, and their innovative servicing products feature a broad array of beautiful colors, textures, designs and finishes that are affordable, stylish, practical and responsible. As a global manufacturer, the environment is an important factor in our daily manufacturing and distribution decisions. Formica Group is committed to safeguarding the Earth's natural resources by using paper from recycled sources and sustainable softwood forests. Qualities that are hard to find in individual, Formica exemplifies to perfection.
Finally, to our moderator of the session, Ms. Mala Singh, CMVP ECB.